Wagwan people, welcome to Jamaican Reddit, where we cover juicy relationships and cheating stories from Reddit, Jamaica and around the world for your entertainment and life lessons. So, today we have a crazy story about a forbidden love. This story breaks the barrier between professionalism and love but has the potential to cause massive chaos and catastrophe in the workplace. So, as you already guessed, I'll be sharing an intimate story that many of us can relate to, titled, Fell in Love with a Member of My Staff. Love knows no boundaries, and sometimes it can blossom in unexpected places, even in the workplace. Join me as I navigate the complexities of balancing professional relationships with matters of the heart. Let's dive into this emotional journey together. The letter to the pastor reads,
Dear Pastor, I am writing this letter to you because I need some advice. I am a 35 years old female. I do not have children. I am the head of an organization. I have both males and females in my company. I pride myself on treating them well, but I have observed that the women love to gossip. The men do not consider what they tell me as gossiping. They say they are talking to me in confidence. I get along well with all of them. But recently, one of them has taken a special liking to me. He is 2 years older than I am and he is very trustworthy. I must confess that I like him and this love I have for him is growing every day. On Valentine's Day, he bought me a card that he specially made for me, but he did not sign it. I knew that it was from him, so I took it and placed it in my handbag. He also asked me to go out with him for a drink and I told him that he knew the rules, that as his boss, it was not wise for us to be seen out together, but he can come to my house. That was the invitation that this man wanted. I ordered dinner and prepared a bottle of champagne and he came over. The man is a good dancer. But I was shocked because of one of the songs we played. We hugged each other and I felt tension with him. I asked him what that was and he said what I was feeling is what he had been experiencing for the last couple of years, but he did not know how to tell me. I told him that it was wonderful having him. I kissed him on his lips and I told him we would talk again. I watched him as he got to his car and for the rest of the night I could not sleep. What did I get myself into? I asked myself. When he came to work the following day, he was smiling and he asked me how my day was, and I told him I had a bad evening. He told me that could change if I would only give him a chance in my life. Now this man and I are planning to be married next Valentine's Day. We got engaged and we invited some of our employees and they all said that they are happy for us. He wants to have a couple of children, but I am not interested in having children. I am willing to adopt. My brother, who is a part of our company, wants us to appoint him as a board member. I'm scared of doing so, but that would mean that we would have to make changes to include him as a part of the company. Some of the employees are saying that they knew a long time ago that this man was in love with me. I was not aware of it. But now I know that one must be open to the leading of the Lord. BJ.
Dear VJ, congratulations to you. I wish you the very best as you make plans for your wedding. This man is very fortunate to have you in his life. I trust that both of you would make sure that you go through a series of counseling sessions before you say I do. Make sure that both of you respect each other and that you communicate well every day. Pastor.
Wow. That story ended way better than I initially thought. Normally, dating a coworker ends in heartache and pain with a lot of vindictive feelings and other bitterness, but this is a mixture of excitement, love, weak knees and butterflies in the belly. I know every woman while they were little girls dreamt of having those moments for life. I am truly happy for them and wish them the best. So, my lovely listeners, have you ever had a spark of love like this lady? What was the last time you got weak in the knees and fell in love? Do you think a love like this is possible today? Let us know in the comment section below. Speaking of comment section, let's check out some of these comments.
How ironic, but the first comment comes from Captain Sparrow. Wonderful. I hope this bliss lasts. You're a bit self-centered, so not wanting to have kids may become an issue as you age with this man and the sheen of romance wears off. Sean H. added, sort out the children issue first. Your brother has evidently given him the stamp of approval. The other employees are happy. What more do you want to see or hear? Sounds good. I wish you all the best. Champkin said, Can we talk too? Commented, Pastor, I don't know, but this sounds like a sticky situation for this writer to be in. Who does her intended a report to directly as a supervisor? If she is, that would be awkward once they are married. Has she categorically told this man that she is not interested in having children? She should not dodge that, as he might not be on board with adopting children rather than having his own biologically with his wife. The question about her intended becoming a board member, which was mentioned by her brother, should be put on hold for the time being and perhaps rethink that idea down the line, but certainly not now. Last but not least, she should ensure to get an ironclad prenuptial agreement to protect the financial resources that she has worked long and hard to acquire long before he came into the picture. Sadly, not every man nor every woman is as genuine as they'd like you to believe they are, and once they believe that you're hooked, eventually the mask starts to slip only to reveal their true nature. Omar added, make sure that you and the man have a clear understanding where that children thing is concerned before getting married. If he doesn't want children, then it's okay. King Ironside from Rose Lane, I love the move because every woman at my job, me want them. So big up to the Bretta. The Saint commented, love is love, when it comes knocking on your door just open it. Nowhere did you say you were not interested in this young man. When you invited him to dinner you knew you were testing the water. Luckily, he did not force you any further. I guarantee you would have been willing. Arawak also commented, why take on a man knowing you're not open to giving him any children? Sheesh. Jordan Chase said, congrats, enjoy and live your life. Just saying. Bleach also said, congratulations. Big Road added, if you are not willing to have biological children, do not marry the man. The vast majority of men want their own biological children. You are playing with fire and will surely burn yourself. Do not appoint your brother as a board member. You have been warned. And the last comment comes from Reader Woman, this is a true love story. Dear lady, enjoy every inch of the tension while it lasts. Make sure you have pastor officiate at your wedding.
Well guys, I believe these two lovebirds have a good thing going on, and I, like many others in the comment section, wish that they continue to have a good thing for a long time, if not until one of them goes home or both together. Oh, a point of note with one of the comments, I like how can we talk to advise the VJ to get a prenup because women tend to dislike prenups when they are not the one who would potentially benefit. Ladies, why do you don't want to sign a prenup unless you are the one who makes more money in the marriage? Anyway, you lovers, please subscribe to the channel for more Reddit, cheating and relationship stories like this one. If you liked the video, make that thumbs up, listen and check out this other video, thank me later. I'll see you in the next one, love.